Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a small village nestled in the rolling hills. This village was known for its colorful gardens, where flowers of every hue swayed in the gentle breeze. But amidst the beauty, there was a small garden that stood out. It was tended by an old gardener named Mr. Thompson. Mr. Thompson had a special seed, a seed like no other. It was said to be magical, capable of growing into the most extraordinary plant. It was a small, unremarkable seed, but it held the promise of something truly incredible. One sunny morning, Mr. Thompson decided it was time to plant the magical seed. He carefully dug a small hole in the rich, fertile soil and gently placed the seed within. He watered it every day, and as the days turned into weeks, a tiny green shoot emerged from the soil, as if the plant's beauty had touched the hearts of everyone in the village. One day, a stranger came to the village, and he was instantly captivated by the magical plant. He offered to buy it from Mr. Thompson, but the old gardener shook his head. "I cannot sell this plant," he said. "It is not mine to sell. It belongs to the village, and it brings us all happiness." The stranger understood and decided to stay in the village, contributing his skills and knowledge to help the community flourish even more. Years passed, and the magical plant continued to thrive. It had grown so large that it could be seen from miles away. Travelers passing by the village would stop to marvel at the magnificent plant and the kindness of its people. And so, the village became known as the land of the magical seed, a place where the beauty of nature and the goodness of people lived in harmony. It was a testament to the power of a small, magical seed to bring about great change and happiness for all. The end.